So you're the one who lost Boss's goods. Boss sent me to repay you. Oh, have something to say? Be careful now. I don't want to hear anything that might damage.
The goods were stolen. I always change my routes, but that guy knew right where I'd be.
So you're saying that he must have known your route in advance?
I don't know. Maybe it was a ghost?
A ghost? Is that so? Why don't you tell me more?
It was too fast. Red. Yes, it was red. And it leapt from the shadows. Once it sets its sight on you, there's no escape.
Really? Boss hates liars. Keep this up and he'll have me dispose of you.
No. I'm telling the truth. There's still one last shipment tomorrow. Then you'll know I wasn't the one who took the goods.
So, there's a shipment tomorrow.
Wait, don't tell me you're...
Hi.
Think our boss got played by you like that, you dirty rat!
We've met before. And you don't recognize me? How insulting. Such terrible eyesight. How about... Just kidding. You still have lots of confessing to do.